Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change FB cover photo without notifying anyone. For that you will have to launch your Facebook mobile application and then you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on this menu page where you are going to see your profile in the top. So you simply need to tap on your profile and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see your profile as well as you are going to see its cover in the top. So if you want to add a new cover, then you need to tap on the option of add cover photo. But if you already have added the cover on your Facebook profile, then instead of this option you are going to see a little camera icon in the bottom. So you need to tap any of the options that you see in front of you. After that, you need to select any of the images from your gallery that you want to put as your cover photo on Facebook. After selecting it, you need to tap on the save button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now in order to hide it from your friends, you just have to quickly scroll down and here you are going to see these three dots right next to the cover photo that you have selected on your profile. So you need to tap on these three dots and after that you need to tap on hide from profile option. Then you need to press confirm. Once you do this, it will show you this prompt which says this post is no longer shown on your timeline. It simply means that all of your friends will not be notified that you have changed your cover photo. And if you scroll up, you will see that the cover photo is still there. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.